What is strain gauge? Everyday engineers are building lighter and more efficient structures, and for that we need to maintain safety and durability standards. To achieve this balance, we use strain gauges to measure the stress limits of raw materials. Strain gauges can monitor the amount of surface stress that material can handle. A strain gauge is made up of 3 layers. First is a protective laminate top layer, second one is thin metallic sensing element, and third one is plastic film base layer. When a strain gauge is bonded to surface under stress, it will distort or flex with that surface. This can cause a shift in electrical resistance proportional to the strain applied to the surface. A formula can then be used to convert the fluctuations of resistance to an accurate strain reading. Choosing right strain gauge for your application depends on which direction the primary strain is running, what type of strain you are measuring, and third is target measuring area. So main advantages are high sensitivity, can detect small changes in strain, wide pressure range, suitable for various pressure applications, customizable, can be adapted to different shapes and size. Accuracy is very high, especially when it's calibrated. Disadvantages: it is a very temperature sensitive device, so performance can be influenced by temperature changes. Complex setup, requires careful calibration and signal conditioning, and it's very delicate, can be damaged if not handled properly.